Hey everyone, today I am going to do unboxing of my Tocco Toscano that I've just received. I hope I pronounced it correctly. I have bought the Kylie train case in the color cabin. So this is my first experience to purchase these Tocco Toscano. I've always seen their ads on the Instagram but never really thought of buying it. But when I saw this one, I thought, why not? It is really pretty, you know. So okay, so let's take a look of the unboxing. Here is the box. It's, once you open it, it has its own dust bag called Tocco Toscano, and here is the strap. It's a leather strap, and here is the bag. So it's so pretty. Look at that. Their zip is really good. Let's take this. Okay, this is my iPhone 11 and it fits perfectly inside. It has another slot in here. Okay, let's close that. This is a handle, so you can carry it top handle, and they also have the strap buckle here and also here, so you can either carry it this way or this way. Okay, let's take a look at the other side of it. Ooh, look at that. They have a slot here. There's a zippered compartment. Oh, they also have their card with their tag. Okay, so nothing else in there. So when you remove this, look at all those card spaces. Okay, this is a place where I can put my pen. And once again, it's the Tocco Toscano warranty card. Okay, so here's the space. So these are the card space. Yep, I really like this because it's small and convenient to carry all my cards. This one is a bit tight, possibly because nothing is filled inside there. So I really like this because look at that. I don't know whether you can look at this. So if you take a look at the lock, it's a really pretty looking, but it's not a real lock actually, it's just the way it was shaped. And they have a crown symbol, I believe. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Yep, it's like a crown there. Here is a Tocco Toscano, and the Tocco Toscano is written here as well. So let's have a look at the strap. I really like this strap because it's a wide strap. So I prefer wide strap because, you know, it doesn't really hurt your shoulder whenever you carry a heavy bag. I mean, with this one, I don't think it's going to be really heavy because this is a very small bag. So they already have the holes in here, so I can add more if I want. So it's a really sturdy looking leather strap. I really like this. I think I'm a new fan of Tocco Toscano. I've actually checked out their website. They have plenty other variety design bags, and I was actually checking out at other bags also, and who knows, I might buy more. So this is the review unboxing of the Tocco Toscano. I will be doing another video of once I filled all of them for your view, so just in case you want to know what fits and what does not fit. So hopefully the review of the handbag with the content will be helpful to you. So remember to subscribe and click the notification button so that you will be notified whenever I have new videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.